Elif's Real Batman Adventure. "Welcome to Batman, Emre," Elif announced, swinging her backpack. Emre looked around the bustling city square, a little confused. "Where are the capes and the bat signals?" he asked. Elif laughed. "Silly. Our Batman is named after the beautiful Batman River, a tributary of the Great Tigris. It's a real city, full of real adventures." Their first stop was the river itself. The water flowed quickly past ancient, rugged stones. "Look how green it is here," Elif said, pointing to the sprawling plains just outside the main city. Batman sits right on the edge of Mesopotamia, where farming and history go back thousands of years. "But for real history," Elif whispered dramatically, "we have to see Hasankeyf." They looked at photographs and models of the ancient city, now protected due to the new Ilisu Dam. Imagine living amongst caves and castles, knowing your city is over 10,000 years old. As they drove back, Emre noticed strange, tower-like machines in the distance. "What are those big pumps?" he asked. "Ah, those are important," Elif replied. "Batman is the oil capital of Turkey. The discovery of oil here in the 1940s is why our city grew so quickly and became modern." When they reached the city center, Elif took him to the Central Culture Park. It was filled with playgrounds, tea gardens, and people enjoying the evening air. "This is where everyone meets up," she explained. "We love spending time outside, chatting and drinking strong Turkish tea." The next morning, they visited the Batman Museum. It wasn't just about ancient history, but about the unique regional artifacts. Emre gazed at old bronze tools and detailed terracotta pots found near the riverbed. "Everything tells a story here," he murmured. Later, they stopped at a busy local bakery. The smell of fresh bread and savory pastries called borek filled the air. Elif handed Emre a plate of crispy rolled pastry filled with cheese. "Local activities often involve eating too. You can't skip the food," she insisted. As the sun began to set, they climbed a small hill near the city limits. In the far distance, the Sasan Mountains rose up, purple in the fading light. "Those mountains are part of the Taurus range," Elif explained. "They remind us that we are surrounded by incredible, wild nature." "So, Batman is a city of opposites," Emre summarized. "It has the deep, deep history of Mesopotamia, but also the new towers and industry of oil and modern life." Elif nodded. "Exactly. It's one of the fastest growing cities in Turkey, always looking forward, but always remembering its roots by the river." Emre smiled. He hadn't found any superheroes, but he had discovered something much better, a vibrant, beautiful place where the past and future met. "I love your Batman," he said. "It's truly unique.